So what you can also do is you can go ahead and transfer out the board ownership you have with other users as well. So to do that, let's say, for example, I'm going to go to the example brainstorm board right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on share, and then I'm going to share this out with the other person right here, just like this. Let's say, for example. So now you can see that the other person right now is a viewer right here, just like this. So now the other person right here will be able to accept it. So let's just go around over here. So you can see that the other person is a viewer. Let me just go to editor right here, just like this. Update this out and press done. So once you go ahead and do that, the other person will now receive an email right here, just like this. So you can see that it says open up Jotboard right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and access out this particular file. So the other person is now an editor who will be able to edit this out right here. So now when you have done that, you can actually go to share and you can see the editor right here. You can actually make them into an owner as well. So as soon as they accept it, you can see that you can choose owner. And now, as you do that, what happens is that you can see that the other person now becomes the owner and you become the editor. You want to make sure that you're absolutely sure that you want to transfer the owner, because the other person now will be able to go ahead and remove access as well from you. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here, I'm now the owner. So now I can actually go ahead and remove the access of the original owner right here, and now only this user has the access right here. So if I were to go ahead right here and then let's say, for example, refresh this out, it says the board doesn't exist right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and transfer out the ownership of the board in Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.